The Island Fox Recovery Project is a pretty special project. I'm one of many biologists that have gotten to work on these islands and work with these foxes. My favorite part about working with the foxes is understanding their personalities. I love animal behavior. I think animals are amazing, and especially canids. They have a really unique social dynamic. They're not scared of us. When you see them on the road, most of the time they just kind of nod and keep going their own way. They got stuff to do and foxy things to do. You can see she's doing just fine. She sees a lot of people, and most of the time they don't pay her any mind. In this case, she got into a trap, she got a meal, and she knows she's going to get to go home in a couple minutes. You know, the effort that we put into making sure that they continue to be on this island and continue to be on this earth is really important. Seeing them come back from under 100 individuals to what they are now, which is over 2,000 individuals on Santa Cruz Island, has been really special.